Today I have a Nissan Rogue and I'm going to show you how to turn on and off the child lock on this Nissan Rogue. Now the child lock is on the rear doors on this side as well as the other side, and people turn the child lock on so people cannot exit the vehicle from the inside by pulling this lever right here. It's a safety mechanism that is on cars to prevent children from opening up the doors and getting out, for instance, when the parent does not want the child to get out. It's for safety reasons and it's in there for play. So I'm going to show you how to turn it on and off. And so what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and go to the door. Oh, also, if you find my video helpful, can you give me a thumbs up as well as subscribe to my channel? I'll appreciate it tremendously. So I'm going to go down and I'm going to look at the door. And you see this door right here? There is a lock right here. And there's an arrow pointing down. And that arrow pointing down is to show you that if I take this right here and press it down, the child lock will be engaged. And simply go ahead right here, press this down, and the child lock is engaged and you can't get out by pulling that. Now, if you want to turn the child lock off, you simply just go back over here. You see where that lock is, take this, put it up like that, and your child lock is now off, okay? So that is how you turn on and off the child lock on this Nissan Rogue. Hope this has been helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.